Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Trello to Jira. First, log into your Trello and choose your board. Once inside, on the upper ribbon, click on Power Ups and then add one. Now, just go ahead and search for Jira and choose this one. After that, just add in to your Trello and go to Settings. Now click on Edit Power Up Settings. For here you need to connect your Jira, so just connect to it. And now you need your Jira URL, so go to your account. And now just go ahead and copy your URL. Make sure that you leave this one here. Now go back to Trello and paste it in there. After that, just connect to Jira. Now once in, you just need to authorize your connection and your Trello is now connected to Jira. If you go back, it will take a couple of minutes to verify the authorization, so just wait for it. And now there you have it. Your Trello is now connected to your Jira account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.